guys, welcome to today's video. We're about to head out to a late night cruise. Ivan is here, still in. I was debating whether I should vlog tonight, but I might as well show you guys late night cruise. And I don't know, man, I got it on a work night. It's currently Thursday night, tomorrow's a Friday, so it should be sweet. I got the green light from the boys to be in the vlog, so let's head out. S13 Chaser. Hello.
Hello, sir.
I need to fill up.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Alright. Today we're playing with 2.15, bro. Oh my god. Super expensive. $69.99. What up, Alex? Chaser looking queen. Alex got his EP3 out. Alright, let's go. Hella steep. We managed to get up. Oh. Oh. Nah, no way. Yeah, he'll get there. Scrape it till you make it.
Yeah. At least it's not prime.
Got some bystanders taking some shots. Just do a walk around. I'll show you guys what we're dealing with here. S15.
Throwback for me.
S15 Mark II. OGT 37s on this Mark II. This is Will's Chaser. First time seeing him with the white TEs. If you guys follow him on Instagram, then you know he changes a lot of wheels. Look at that stance. It's got a really nice fitment, a lot of cam on the front. This is one of my goals for static. So nice, so much nicer than my Chaser, man. These are usually not my favorite, but this body kit just makes everything look so much better in this car. This is nicely done, man. You got the crown. So last video you saw this in a wagon version. This is the sedan version. Then you got my Chaser. S13. So badass. This is probably my favorite color in S13. The two-tone, light blue. Super drift spec, and you got the EP3. Yeah. Oi! Oi! Later, bro. Yo, hope you guys enjoyed that little night cruise that we had. Today we are back in my Chase's interior. There are just a little things I want to change up because it's been the same since I bought this car around 3 to 4 years ago, and I finally got myself some interior parts. When I bought the car, it came with a nice Vertex gear knob. I'm not gonna lie, I liked it a lot, hence why I didn't look to change it. Alright, let's start the gear knob. This is the easiest one. This box right here is from Ningen. This is the new gear knob that I have. It's a Greddy. Very nice, very classic gear knob. And my two new drift knobs, drift plugs, whatever you want to call it. Either the blue or gonna go silver. The only reason why I'd go silver is so it'll match with my gear knob. We'll see how we go. Wow. Don't you guys just love a nice fresh knob? Alright, gear knob is on. This blue top here suits the seats. Just adding some blue in my interior. Now let's go with the drift plug. Test fitting, that's the silver. It does look like it matches my gear knob. Here's the blue one. Ah man, I am kind of in a dilemma right now. This is kind of a hard one, but I think I'm gonna go with the silver. It's looking so much updated to me personally. We got the glow mirror. Finally gonna install these. I bought these a while back from Dasai when they were releasing a lot of these. Pretty much a new mirror that has like crazy RGB. I'll show you. I actually checked that I do need batteries, so I will show you guys a little B-roll once I have them on. I want to replace this Umamori for this new one. It's a 326 Umamori. Just gonna add on No Doubt Please Bosso into here. Interior looking a little bit more updated. So new gear knob, new drift knob. We got these little things kind of updated. We got our new mirror that I'll need to get batteries for so we can light it up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at night. Tell me in the comments what you guys think about the little update. That wraps up for today. Thank you guys for always watching and following my journey, as I have enjoyed this part of it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time in the next vlog. Peace.